All right, welcome back to There Is No America Without Erica. We all need a little Erica in our life, right? Now, states are trying to go after files on the internet, and at the same time, there's a lawsuit that could decide whether the government can kick you out of your rights just because you walked into a building in National Park. That combination should probably get your attention. And a quick credit where it's due. This update came from John Crump. If you're not already following his reporting, you should be. Thank you, John Crump. Now, on the surface, this looks like Colorado just passed another gun control bill. But what they tried to include before it got finalized is where things start to matter a lot more. So the bill, HB 1144, targets 3D printed firearms. That part isn't not surprising. What they added into it is they didn't just go after the guns, they went after the files. Blueprints, instructions, digital designs, meaning if you shared that online, that alone could be a crime. Not building anything, not owning anything, just sharing information. And that's where things start to fall apart for them, because even the governor looked at that and made it clear he wasn't signing it with that language in place. So instead of pushing it through anyway, they cut it completely, last minute. The rest of the bill stays, including the ban on manufacturing firearms or parts with a 3D printer. But the part going after digital files, gone, for now. And they didn't exactly pretend otherwise. They've already said they plan to bring that back later. Same idea, just at a different time. And that's what makes this worth paying attention to, because this isn't isolated. This isn't Colorado doing something random on its own. You're seeing the same pattern show up in multiple states. Different bills, different wording, same direction, and it's not just legislation. You've also got California going after my husband's lawyer over 3D printed file issues. So this idea, targeting the digital side of this, isn't new. It's just spreading. That's the bigger picture. One state pushes it, another state tries a slightly different version. If one piece fails, they adjust and come back again somewhere else. So when something like this gets stripped out of a bill, that doesn't mean the idea is gone. It just means it ran into a wall this time. Now, while all that is happening, there's something else developing that could decide how far any of this can actually go, because a lawsuit just dropped that goes straight after one of the government's favorite justifications: sensitive places. Now, the case is Zimmerman v. Bondi, and it focuses on national parks. Right now, you can legally carry in a national park, but the second you walk into certain buildings, visitor centers, range stations, certain facilities, you're required to disarm. Even though there's no real security, no screening, no metal detectors, nothing, just a rule, and if you ignore it, you're looking at federal charges. So what this lawsuit is challenging is pretty straightforward. You don't get to draw a random line and say, you're right, stop here, especially when there's no historical backing for it. Now, under Bruin, the government has to justify restrictions like using actual historical tradition. Courthouses, sure. Polling places, sure. Places that were historically restricted and typically secured, fine. But a visitor center in the middle of a national park with zero screening, that's what's being tested. And depending on how that plays out, it doesn't stay contained to national parks. It starts raising questions about how far this sensitive places ideas can really stretch. So now you've got two things happening at once. States experimenting with how far they can push regulation, including going after information itself. And at the same time, lawsuits starting to define where the limits actually are. That's the collision point, because Colorado didn't remove that file ban out of respect for your rights. They removed it because it wasn't going to survive. Right now, that's the only difference. So if you're looking at this thinking they dropped the idea, they didn't. They adjusted. And if the courts don't shut that door completely, you're going to keep seeing versions of this coming back. Different state, different bill, same goal. And in the end, that's what all this comes down to. Not just what gets passed, but what actually holds up when it gets challenged. Because one of these fights is political. The other one is going to decide how far all of this can actually go. And we're getting real close to finding out. All right, so let me know what you guys think down below. And before you take off, if you aren't already shopping at Amazon and using our link, the link is down below. And even when you don't shop like when you click on the link and you don't buy what's in our store, just because you clicked at that link from our channel, we get a little kickback, and it really does help, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. And if you want to support directly, only tacticalfans.myshopify.com has MREs, tourniquets, and the kind of gear you'll wish you had before you actually need it. All right, guys, I appreciate you, and until the next video, peace.
I use that tripod and swap out. But anyways, you recording? Audio check. Yep, good on audio. Oh, they were complaining that the TV was too dark. Let me try to turn up the brightness real quick.
Well, yeah, and you didn't even freaking wash it. Like, who doesn't wash?
Did totally.
Are you joking? What is all this stuff, that?
That's residual color.
This. No, it's not.
Brightness right there.
This is so weird. It does not look like me at all.
Well, I needed the AI to make one with a bunch of red in there, so the
and bold and sharp. I might be bold, but sharp. I can't even talk right.
Baby, you're definitely sharp. Your personality cuts like a knife. There you go. Now it's visible.
Is that a bad thing or a good thing?
Yeah, it depends how you look at it.
That depends how you look at it. I mean, you're not wrong. Can be a little cuckoo. All right, welcome back to There Is No America. You've got also, You've also, if one steaks. I do love a good steak. That's funny. Oh, I make myself laugh. And I will always fuck up. That's Here it goes. Me fucking up my shit. That's the collision point because Colorado